How to growing Rudbeckia Hirta. Black-eyed Susans is a local American wildflower that fills the garden with warblers and butterflies, and in addition brilliant yellow or orange, daisy-like blooms. They create a wealth of blossoms all through summer and in late summer. The plants develop in the vicinity of 2 and 4 feet tall and frame thick bunches. Develop them as perennials in U.S. Bureau of Agriculture zones 4 through 8 Taurus annuals anyplace. Begin the seeds inside 6 to 2 months previously the last expected ice. Utilize singular pots loaded with a sodden seed beginning medium, and leave the seeds on the surface of the dirt presented to light. Perfect temperatures for germination are in the vicinity of 70 and 75 degrees Fahrenheit. You'll show signs of improvement comes about in the event that you encase the pots in a plastic pack to keep the moistness around the seeds high. Look for developing seedlings and expel the pots from the pack when the seeds grow. You can transplant the seedlings outside possibly 14 days before the last expected ice date, dividing them 2 to 3 feet separated. Black-eyed Susans self-seed if the bloom focuses are left on the stems after the petals fall. This is an extraordinary method to urge the plants to fill in naturalized regions and wildflower knolls. In the event that there is mulch in the territory, pull it back till the falling seeds arrive specifically on the dirt. In the event that the dirt is overwhelming or compacted, slacken it by beginning to expose what's underneath with a developing instrument. Yet take mind not to harm the roots. You'll be watchful about weeding until the point that the seedlings are sufficiently huge to perceive. Keep just the biggest, sturdiest seedlings. The seeds, called nutlets, create the focal point of the blossom after the petals fall. A developed nutlet is around 1/8 inch long and charcoal dim in shading. The majority of the nutlets are developed around 3 or a month in the wake of blossoming. Cut the stems and shake the seed heads over a plate to discharge the seeds. You'll lose a considerable measure of them in light of the fact that the smallest development can make seeds fall. Yet each seed head contains numerous seeds and there will be a bounty for planting. Store them in a glass or plastic compartment with a tight-fitting cover in the cooler until planting time.